Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard filling. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 4 large egg yolks, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. You will also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a whisk, and a heat-proof bowl. Having everything ready and at room temperature makes the entire process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect custard. Next, in your heat-proof bowl, whisk together the 4 egg yolks and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale yellow and thick. Then, gradually whisk in the 1/4 cup of cornstarch until you have a smooth, lump-free paste. Simultaneously, gently heat the 2 cups of whole milk in your saucepan over medium heat until it just begins to simmer, but do not boil it. Now it's time for the crucial tempering step. Slowly pour about 1/2 of the hot milk into the egg yolk mixture while whisking vigorously and continuously. This prevents the eggs from scrambling. Then, pour the entire tempered mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining hot milk. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly with your whisk until the custard becomes very thick, like pudding. Once your custard is wonderfully thick, remove it from the heat immediately. Stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter until it's fully melted and incorporated, adding richness and shine. Then, mix in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic, comforting flavor. Pour the custard into a clean bowl, cover it with plastic wrap directly on the surface to prevent a skin from forming, and chill for at least 2 hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.